Hey everybody, today we're going to be drawing a cow, so it's going to be heaps of fun, so I hope you follow along with me. So let's go and get started. So today I am using a marker for the outline, and then I'll use some textures later to colour in. So we're going to start by drawing the top of the head. So we're going to come up to the top near the left of our page, probably around here somewhere, and just draw a little very flat sort of curvy M shape like this. And it's a bit longer on the right side. And then we can continue it on the left down quite sharply. And then it just peeks out a little bit like this. And we're going to do another big curving line down. And then draw it in like this for the mouth. And then on the bottom of that, we're going to do another curve down and just to the right again. Now, we're just going to leave that like that for now. And we'll come back up here and finish this side of the head. So let's draw the horn on this side. So we're just going to come in from this line a little bit, and we'll just do a big curvy shape like this, and it'll come out, and then it's going to be wider at the base. Now we can draw the rest of the head down here. So we're going to come off this horn here. We'll just do a little line down like this, and then just leave a little gap for the ear that we can draw later, just small, doesn't need to be big. And then we'll continue this line down, and then it starts to curve quite sharply. And then we'll bring it in a little bit like this, curves in, and we'll curve it back out so it's a bit flatter. It's sort of the shape of the cow's head. It's a bit wider for where the jaw is. So now let's draw the horn on this side of the head. So we're going to come just sort of in line with the top of this one, and we'll just do a big curve up like this. And we can curve it back into the head. So now we can do the ear on this side. This comes off the side of the horn. We'll just do a little curve out to the left, goes up, down, up, and we'll curve it down sharply and back in to the head. And then inside the ear, there's always another bit that we'll colour in maybe pink later, like the skin on the ear, because this outside part's the fur, and then the inside's the skin. So now we can draw this ear. So we're going to come off the side of the head here and just do a nice little curvy line up, down a bit. You know, you can do whatever shapes you like. And then we'll bring it back into the body. Okie dokie. So now we're going to draw the back of our cow. So we're going to come off this ear here, and we're just going to do a big, long, slightly curved down line like this. And then it curves up a little bit. Just a bit, sort of flattens out and up, and we're going to curve it down fairly sharply after that and bring it all the way back in. So it's almost like a big, I don't even know what that shape is, a roller coaster shape. Yeah, and then we can bring this line here back down for the back of the leg. And then it comes in and then out, and then fairly sharply back in again like this. We'll bring that down a little further. And then we can draw the second back leg. So this is going to come off the bottom section there. And then we're just going to bring the line out like this. And it's going to curve in a bit. See this little curve? And we'll curve it down again. And it stays just in front of this line here. And we'll try and get them even at the base. So now we can draw the front of this leg. So we're going to start all the way over here. And then maybe another roller coaster shape. We're going to do a big curve in like this. And then we can get it down, and it just goes fairly straight in line with this one. It's a funny leg, isn't it? That looks a bit like I don't even know what that looks like. Another roller coaster shape. Okay, and now we can draw the second part of this leg. So this is going to come in like this, straight line. And we can bring another straight line down to the base. And just connect the ends with a straight line. So we need the front of the cow for the body. So we're going to start by drawing the legs, and then we can draw the body so we sort of know where to put the body. So we're going to come right in line with this, and we're just going to come over probably just below the side of the head, and we'll just do a little dot. And then from that dot, that's where we know where to draw from now. We can just do a big curve down like this, and then let's bring it down roughly in line with these legs here. Yeah, a little curves, all right. Can make it look a bit more realistic. Then we're going to come back, and we're going to do another big curve like this. So then we can keep bringing this line down and it stays fairly narrow at the base and then just connect it with the line. See, big mossy arm there? All right, now we can draw the body because we sort of know where to put it. So cows have quite a big chest sort of area. So we're going to come off here, off the sort of the curve here of the head for the neck. So a big straight line like this. And then we can start to curve it down so it goes fairly straight until it's roughly in line with this big curve here on the leg. And then we're going to do a big curve in, a lot of big curves here, for the chest. And then we just imagine that this line here goes behind this back leg and it's going to continue out this side. And then it curves back up to here for the second leg. So now we can draw the second leg sort of behind, it starts behind the body. So we'll come back here and just do this sort of a straight line, another straight line, little curve here. And then it's going to come forwards like this. Forwards till it's in line with this one. And then just connect them with this little straight line here. Our cow looks a little featureless, so we're going to come up to the head and we're going to add the eye. So we're going to come just in line with this ear here and we'll just do a nice super round circle. As round as you can get it. And then outside that, let's add another little detail. We might do another sort of round shape and we can color this in black later. So around the eye, he'll have like a black spot or something. Now we're going to come to this side and draw this eye. We're going to start by doing a big curve in like this for another black section around the eye. But then that helps us actually get the eye in the head. So then we can come off this. We'll do a big curve out like this. And that's the eye right there. Now, up in the corner of each eye, we're just going to do a nice big circle. And then we're just going to do one more big circle coming off that circle. There. And so one big circle and then a circle coming off that. And we'll colour it all in later. And it'll look really, really cool. Alright, so what's he missing? He's missing... or she is missing her tail, or it's a cow, so it's a her, isn't it? Yeah, it's a her. So she's missing her tail. So we're going to come off the bottom here, and then just continue this line down. Down, probably roughly in line with the leg here, something like that. And we'll just come a bit closer, a really nice parallel straight line down as well. And then at the end, they've sort of got a big furry piece, part of the tail. So we'll do a little curve and then we can just do a big shape like this. And then a couple just little zigzags at the end. It's time to draw the udder. This is sort of the part where the milk comes from. So we come off the belly and we're just going to draw a nice curve that connects to the back leg. And then we just draw 3 little sort of bumps like this for teats. So that's where the calves would drink the milk out of. So now we can finish drawing the head. We're going to come back here and we can draw the nose. So let's continue off the side of the head. We'll do a little curve and then another little, it's like a little bump like this. And then it comes down a lot. And then we can draw the mouth to really finish that off. So, and then we'll just do this line down here. Curve it up a lot because you want your cow to look pretty happy. Then you're going to curve it up. And then we'll just do a little bracket thing at the end. So now we can draw the nose. So this is like 2 little nostrils in here. Just little curves like this. There. And then off the base of these, we'll just do a little black circle bit. Another little black circle. So now we can finish drawing this ear here. We had this little shape here, so we're going to put that in here. So then we basically just trace the shape inside the ear, like that. All right, now we can put on the hooves. So we're going to come to the back here, and we'll just do a little forwards arrow shape like this. And it'll be straight down on the back. And then you just draw a straight line to connect them. And then the same thing here. And the arrow shape, and we're just doing the same thing on all of these, on the bottom of all the feet. So now it's time to colour. I'm going to speed this part up, but just pause it if you need to. Now we're going to draw some little spots on the cow as well. we'll do the black spots, but they're basically just squiggly little lines, and you'll be able to see what I did at the end. I'll slow it down. So, count me down from 3, 2, 1, go. Well, we completely finished colouring in our cow, and I think it looks really, really cool. I especially like doing the little squiggles for the spots. That was really, really fun. Well, thanks for joining with me, guys. I had heaps of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun too, because that is the most important thing. So, I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Moo!